YMCA has been helping and serving communities across the country, but the pandemic has put a lot of their programs on hold right now. Local branches are closed, but they are working hard to safely reopen. Joining us live this morning is the president and CEO of YMCA of Greater Seattle, Loria Yaden. Good morning, Loria. Thanks so much for joining us here.
Good morning, Omar. It's great to be with you this morning.
Yeah, so we had a couple quick questions for you here this morning. Tell us about those new safety measures that families could be seeing once those branches reopen. And also, let's talk about that timeline. When will those branches reopen once again?
Yeah, so we are so excited to be in preparation mode to welcome community back to the YMCA of Greater Seattle. There are safety measures that we're putting in place, because there's nothing more important than safety and the health of our members and our staff. So some of those measures that you will see are in lockstep with what you're hearing coming from the governor's office as part of the 4-phase reopening plan and from the health department. So you will see staff wearing PPE. You will also see equipment being spaced differently inside of our facilities. You will see some changes in some of the programming that we will be offering. But what you will also notice is behind those masks, there will be some smiles, and that you will see the same welcoming environment that you've always seen in the YMCA.
Yeah, such a big part of the community. And let's talk about, when will you guys potentially be opening up those branches once again?
So in phase 3, we're expecting to be able to swing open the doors of our branches. And that's probably somewhere around mid-June, depends upon when the governor says it's safe for us to do so.
Yeah.
But we're expecting around mid-June at a 50% capacity limitation. Could be a little sooner, could be a little later.
Got it. And so June, we're talking about summertime, approaching that time, and many people and parents out there speaking and thinking about summer camps. What are your plans for summer camp here this summer?
Yeah, so the YMCA has always offered day camp as well as residential camp. This year, we're going forward with offering day camp and residential camp. There could be some impacts to our capacity. Because of the social distancing requirements. We will follow the guidelines from the health department and from the governor's office to ensure safety. But at this moment, we are putting plans in place to go forward, and we will be putting out more information about that soon. But there's also the opportunity, even though our branches are closed, I invite our members and the community to visit our website, where there's lots of group exercise classes. And there's lots of things that our members and community can access to take care of their health, activities for kids. So that's another outlet for people to take advantage of.
Yeah, so you guys are helping people right now during these tough times, of course, online. Let's talk about some of those services that you just mentioned here this morning that you're now offering people, because you guys are not fully shut down right now. This is not stopping you completely.
That's right, Omar. You know, we may have closed the doors to normal operations when the pandemic hit back in March, but the Y never closed. We pivoted. We redirected our resources to meeting the needs of community, to offering things like emergency childcare to first responders and essential workers, to serving meals in the community to children who are out of school and to families. As a matter of fact, just this past week, we served over 20,000 meals in the community. We're also doing things in the community like offering a day shelter at our downtown Y branch. So many activities, because these things are in need. And that's what the Y is always about. It's pivoting to meet the needs of community. And that's what we've been doing during this time. And what I anticipate will continue to do even once our doors are open to normal operations. We will find a way to still meet needs of community, because that's what the Y has always been about for 144 years. And we'll continue to do that going forward.
Such critical help to our communities right now. And let's talk about this, something on a lot of people's mind, your members' minds here this morning. Will those membership fees be going up as well once they walk back through those doors?
You know, we are not contemplating any increase in fees. But I want people to understand that the WISE member model is for all, meaning that we offer financial aid to meet people where they are. And that means that if someone can't afford a membership, and that means that they pay nothing, then that's what they pay is nothing. We are here for all. We have a sliding scale, and we invite everyone to come to the Y to meet their health needs in mind, body, and spirit. The Y is the place for community to come together and for community to care for community. So we don't want financial situations to be a barrier to anyone, especially during this time. And it's because of those members who've stuck with us during this time that we were able to pivot and be there for community. Those members are volunteers and our donors, and we're so appreciative. And it's because of those members who stay with us now that we'll be able to be there for everyone going forward.
Thank you so much for all of that important information here this morning, Loria. We appreciate you joining us here and answering those questions for us. We hope you have a great rest of your day.
Sure thing, Omar, and thank you so much.
All righty,
Have a good Sunday.
Yes, thank you. Happy Sunday to you as well.